Hi and welcome to another SY Tech series video. My name's Phil of SY Electronics and I'm here today to talk about a question surrounding test pattern generators. Why do we need a test pattern generator and why is it good? If you're an AV designer, why should you specify and design into the system a test pattern generator? Why do you need a test pattern generator to be part of an engineer's toolkit? And how do we use a test pattern generator in real life? Well, the first part, as part of the quality control element of your AV design, you need ways of ensuring that the installation will work as per your original spec and that the quality of the system will be kept high. You need a way of ensuring that the system works as expected, and as you go along, before the job is completed and the customer sees it, you need to be happy that everything is good. So in this example, here we have an installation that you've just carried out, and now you are testing and checking, commissioning the system. So you have all your displays that are connected up and running. You need to check, will they get video? Will they get an audio signal from the client's input source devices, laptops, media players and the like? Well, perhaps you don't have the client's laptops on site yet. That's likely the case. And you want to check if it works though, nonetheless, don't you? So we need to find out what resolution are they expecting to be able to use with this system. Will they want to send just 2 channels stereo or 5.1 audio or some other format? Will your extenders that you have used on the job be able to support the above requirements? Well, let's find out, shall we? So in this example, we're going to use a signal or test pattern generator. So let's set it up. So take note of the resolution that's needed, take note of the audio format that will be required, and we want to start off with, say, 1080p. So we've got a known resolution that's going to be sent out, and let's set it to 2-channel stereo. We can work up from there if we need to. So connect the input port location, put the test pattern generator in. So the display is switched on and it's ready to go. So let's start testing. We're sending our signal. Do we get a signal on our display? Yes or no? Well, perhaps no. Why not? Perhaps the display is not set to the correct input. Maybe our control system has been programmed to switch it to input 1, but the cable perhaps is connected into input 3. So that's the first issue that we've discovered. So let's resolve that one and move on, either by altering our control system program or the actual input on the display. So we've changed that. Now let's check again. Do we get a signal? Yes or no? Yes, we do. Great. Well, that's verified that the display is on the correct input. Next, looking at the info from the client, let's set the resolution that they are going to need. They may want more than 1080p, may want 4K. Let's also set the audio format that they're going to want. Now they've asked that they're going to need 5.1 channels of audio. So let's set our test pattern generator to that. Let's press the test button. Do we get a complete signal, video and audio? Yes or no? No, we don't. Yes, we're getting 4K video, but not audio. Okay, so let's find out a bit more. So let's go to the display menu to see how the display has been set up. Okay. So the second issue that we've discovered is that the display is all set up correctly, but the HDMI input is only set up to receive 2-channel audio. So let's set it up so that it will receive 5.1 channel audio. Check again. Yep, now that's good. We're getting the audio, we're getting the video. So that's everything that's been verified correctly on this particular job. So we've verified also at the same time that the complete signal chain from source input to the display point works as we've intended. So there are a few reasons we've just demonstrated by way of example that show the importance of having a signal test pattern generator on every install. So it could be a standalone test pattern generator, or it could be a test pattern generator that's built in to your AV devices. Now many of SY Electronics AV devices have test pattern generators built inside. So our extenders have that feature. A lot of our switches, our matrix switches and so on all have test pattern generators built in, and these are the reasons why we have that amazing feature. So make sure you specify SY Electronics products if you want the benefits of all the above. So thanks for watching this short video, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.